This is Rocket Game D here. Today we will be doing our special event, which started on November 30th and ended today. And anybody who spent over $35 will be getting a grand prize helmet. Any Mandalorian themed helmet that we can send you, and you'll choose which one, and we'll print it and send it to you. The grand prize winner has 14 days to respond to us. If not, then we have 2 runner-uppers, and whoever was in second place will take the grand prize. But if he doesn't answer, then the other runner-up would take it. But still, you understand. And the runner-uppers would get something small, like let's say a side. I just came up with a random thing. I like Pokemon, which is why I said it. And yeah, so on our screen right now is randomchoicegenerator.com, and we will click go, and it'll choose a random, whatever number. I don't know what the numbers do, but still, it's a number, and then I'll look for a full name, and then delivery city and delivery state.
Order IDs.
Order IDs. Ideas.
ID numbers.
Nah.
Hey, you ready?
Mandalorian, dumb.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let me get behind you here.
3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 5, 5.
053382 is the grand prize winner, which is, let's look it up.
Great. 2 or 3. I'm looking for any 2 3s. They also do 3. That's it.
That's it. Say the name.
Ben Gudsy. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce it correctly. So, I didn't practice every single name here.
Ben Goodsey of
New Haven, and I have no...
Connecticut.
Connecticut. Never heard. But okay.
Here you are, our grand prize winner for your own helmet.
And Mandalorian theme.
Make sure you watch out for your emails coming soon.
Yeah, you got 14 days to respond.
And the runner-ups.
Go. Two, 3, 6, 1, 9.
23619795524.
I saw it up there, I think, but I don't know. That one?
Yep.
Andrew Hutchison. Sorry, if I didn't spell that. Say that.
You're good.
Markham, Ontario.
Andrew Hutchinson of Markham, Ontario. You are our first runner-up.
Yeah, second place. And next up we got 2.
6524. Oh, same one, same person. Let's try it again.
Yoink.
235054634 6340 where is it? Right there. Damien Schwab.
Damien Schwab, Blenny, and...
Switzerland.
Never knew how to spell that. Nope.
Say it to the camera.
Switzerland, Damien... How do you say that?
Damien Schwab.
Schwab. Blenny,
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
You're our second runner-up.
Yeah. Okay then. Those are our winners, and you guys all have 14 days to respond to us, or else we need runner-up and runner-up. And if we need to, we'll have more runner-ups.
There you go.
Okay then. So, see you all with an email.